Hello everyone, thank you for watching this video. Now, if you have completed your sales presentation and you are now at the closing stage, would you ask the closing question? I will not necessary. Okay, sometimes when I reach the closing stage, I wouldn't ask the closing question because the prospect is not ready. So how do I know? Observe for buying signal. So buying signal, what is buying signal? Buying signal basically means the prospect is showing certain observable behavior when they are ready to buy from you. So how do you tell that they are ready to buy from you? One thing that I look out for is, are they always agreeable to what I say? Are they showing excitement, enthusiasm to some of the strategies that I share with them? So basically from that presentation, from the conversation of sharing strategy and observing whether they are enthusiastic, you can tell whether they are more ready to buy or less ready to buy. Now, if a prospect is showing a lot of doubts, you can see through their eyes that they are doubtful of what you are sharing. They do not really buy into your idea. Okay, that means they are less ready to buy. So in that instance, I would not ask the closing question. Instead, I would say, take some time, think about it. Okay, sit on it, digest what I have just said, and I'll get back to you in a week's time. So this is one of the way that I observe for buying signal. Now the second thing that I do is I test for buying signal. So I test the buying signal by asking them some question. For example, when do you want to start? So if they say, okay, next week, 2 weeks later, next weekend, that is a very strong buying signal. And then I will ask the closing question, because next week means it is pretty tight timing. Okay, and if they say, well, I need to think about it, okay, maybe 3 months later, then you know they are not ready yet. So the second question, sometimes I ask, which do you prefer? Oh, I prefer to have this option A. Okay, great. So shall we get down to the paperwork? So when I ask which option do you prefer, it is also to test their interest, test their buying signal. Sometimes they will say, I need to consider, I need to talk to my wife, I need to talk to my children or my husband. So the buying signal is not strong. So these are things that I look out for during the closing stage. So something that you need to take note of, right? When you reach the closing stage, are your prospect ready to buy? Are you ready to close? Right? Thank you for watching. Bye bye.